I am HVAC repair guy, a former Navy nuclear electrical operator with over 17 years of hands-on experience in the trade as a technician, installer, and contractor. Today we are looking at two top-tier central air conditioners to help you figure out which one belongs on your pad. The AirEase A7AC22V and the Bryant 191VN. When it comes to cabinet construction and build quality, both of these units are built like tanks. Both models feature heavy-duty louvered coil guards that protect the condenser fins from hail, yard debris, and stray lawnmower rocks. They both come equipped with factory-installed compressor sound blankets to keep operational vibration down. Both are manufactured right here in the USA. Both systems sit in the ultimate efficiency tier for split-system air conditioning. The AirEase A7AC22V edges out a slight lead with an efficiency rating of up to 22 SEER, while the Bryant 191 van comes in right behind it up to 21 SEER. In terms of operational noise, both are whisper quiet, though the Bryant 191 van operates at 56 decibels compared to the AirEase A7AC22V at 58 decibels. Each system uses a fully variable speed inverter compressor paired with a variable speed condenser fan motor. Neither system uses older single-stage or two-stage fan motors, allowing both units to modulate output in tiny increments to precisely match your home's cooling requirements. They also remove humidity far better than standard systems. AirEase is produced by Allied Air Enterprises, a subsidiary of Lennox International, while Bryant is manufactured by Carrier Global Corporation, sharing much of its internal platform design with Carrier equipment. Both parent companies are well-established, reputable manufacturers with long histories in the HVAC industry. Equipment-only outdoor units run between $2,800 and $4,200 for the AirEase A7AC22V and $3,000 to $4,800 for the Bryant 191 van, depending on system tonnage. Total installed costs for a complete variable speed setup range from $5,500 to $9,500 for the AirEase and $7,000 to $10,000 plus for the Bryant, depending on region and system size. The warranty coverage between the two is identical, with a 10-year parts warranty, a 10-year compressor warranty, and a 10-year unit replacement warranty when properly registered by a licensed dealer. If I have to make a recommendation, I give the nod to the AirEase A7AC22V for slightly higher efficiency while matching the Bryant on technology, protection, and warranty. Combined with Allied Air's solid build quality, it gives you maximum efficiency and performance for your investment.